Today's activity lesson this and that. Let's start, Madhura.
This is basket.
Yes.
That is ball.
Very good. Next. Arav.
Mummy. This is basket.
Yes.
This is ball.
Very good.
This is basket. Ball is this is ball. That is basket.
Very good. Next. Huh.
This is bag. This is ball. That is bag.
Very good.
Mummy.
Huh.
Mummy. This is ball. That is bag.
Repeat. Repeat.
This is ball. That is bag.
Very good. Next. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes. Very good.